I'm here at the command center in Shelburne today, and I can tell you it's a very busy area today, with resources all coming together to fight the Barrington Lake fire. I want to thank everyone on the ground here, our incident command teams, and all of our Nova Scotia firefighters. I also want to thank everyone that has come out to help: firefighters, military, companies with heavy equipment, and the large amount of volunteers. And everyone who has helped the evacuees, the municipalities, the Red Cross, and the outpouring support of residents from the different areas and businesses, and from the people across Nova Scotia.
We're in Barrington at the arena. Look at the volunteers. They hauled in. I'm gonna cry again. I gotta go.
Area of the fire is still holding at 24,980 hectares. We're going to be sticking around this area for the foreseeable future until everything is safe for the residents to move back in.
I have a son that fishes in 33, and actually this morning I have been down and hauled on the last 100 of his pots because he had a load on his boat that he couldn't get off and he couldn't get to his boat.
While the rain has helped get us a better understanding, we don't have all that information yet. It's very difficult to say that we can estimate that there's about 60 homes in total and a total number of about 150 structures. When you add that to the 10 Talon losses, this is a huge loss for our homes and for our province.
As we run from the danger, our emergency responders, including our firefighters, run into it, and they risk their lives to protect the lives and property in our community. I believe we all owe them a debt that will be next to impossible to repay.
I encourage you to please check on one another and support your neighbors the best you can. Sometimes a simple phone call can go a long way. Remember, we are all in this together, and we'll get through it together.